In this week's Torah reading, Eikev, Moses continues to speak to the people of Israel as they are about to cross the Jordan River and enter the land. Moses, of course, is not going to be leading them there, and so in his final days, he sums up their 39 years of history of wandering in the desert, reminding them of the important events and also exhorting them to fulfill their religious responsibilities. In other words, they are about to enter the land, and the people should understand that it is not a gift handed to them on a silver platter, but rather an experience that they have to fight for and to show willingness to live up to. And so in this week's portion, Moses reminds them that even every day when they eat, they need to acknowledge the source of the food, to be satisfied with that food, and to bless God in gratitude for receiving that meal, which is the source of reciting the grace after meals, the Birkat HaMazon, every time we eat. But also, in a broader sense, Moses tells them that rain will come at certain times in order to provide the sustenance the crops will need. But the rain will only come if the people fulfill their end of the bargain, if they follow through on the covenant and fulfill all aspects of it. Then the rain will come at the appropriate time. And so the lesson that Moses is trying to instill in the community of Israel is that life is never to be taken for granted. We cannot go through life as if everything that happens to us is supposed to happen to us. We are supposed to go through life with a feeling of humility and gratitude and a sense of responsibility. If we everyone in the community recognizes that life isn't expected but rather to be fought for, then society works well and better together. If we recognize our responsibilities to the covenant, if we recognize that we need to be advocates for social action, we need to understand and follow our religious and moral values, then we will appreciate life more and we will feel as if we are blessed. Shabbat Shalom.